In this video, I'm going to be showing you a strategy for dealing with rational expressions on the SAT. So the question here says, the square root of x plus 28 minus 2 times the square root of x plus 1 equals to 0. What value of x satisfies the equation above? So we're going to solve this question in two ways. Now, the first way, we're going to use the options. We're going to do something called back solving. So back solving involves putting each of the options into the question to see which one satisfies the equation. So if we put 8 here, for example, let's start from option 1. If we put 8, so solution 1, because there are two solutions. So if we put 8 here, so that becomes square root of 8 plus 28 minus 2 times square root of 8 plus 1. What does that give us? This is square root of 36 minus 2 times square root of 9. So this is 6 minus 2 times 3. 6 minus 6, which is 0. So indeed, the value of x that satisfies this equation is actually 8. So 8 is the answer. So that is the first way you can solve this problem. Another way you can solve this problem, and this would work particularly if you don't have options. You know, there is a part of the SAT where you don't have options, you see, where you just have to grid in the answer. So this solution will work for that part of the SAT section. So solution 2. So let's rewrite this. Let's write this equation again. Minus this equals to 0. Now this is negative here. If I add this to both sides, this will become this square root of x plus 28 equals to 2 times square root of x plus 1. Just making sure what I did here was just adding this to both sides, and this is what you get. Now, we can also say from here that square root of this divided by square root of this, if I divide through by x, square root of x plus 1, will be equal to 2. Okay? Now, this is also the same thing as saying, if we continue from here now, we say this is also the same thing as saying this divided by this equals to 2. Now, if you want to remove this square root, you take the square of both sides. So if we take the square of both sides, the square root goes from here, and this becomes 2 squared, which is 4. So then x plus 28 equals to 4 times x plus 1. Then x plus 28 equals to 4x plus 4. Then we have 4x minus x equals to 28 minus 4. 3x equals to 24. So x equals 24 divided by 3, which is equal to 8. So you see, both solutions give us the same answer. 8 by solving it, putting it directly into the equation, back solving, and 8 by solving it algebraically. So either of these solutions is how you solve this type of questions on the SAT. If you found value from this video, make sure you subscribe so that you can watch more videos like this from this channel. And also make sure you like this video, and also share with somebody who you think would benefit from the solutions in this video. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.